What's up? It's Mel here. So this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to apply OOOPS Remover and how to properly use OOOPS Remover. I'm about to change my color, so I wanted to show you guys how to use it. The OOOPS Remover is the tool that we use with Senegence and with LipSense in order to get our LipSense off. This is the best remedy. It's the only thing you should use because it doesn't have any wax in it, and it's what treats and protects your lips in the future to put LipSense back on. So please use OOOPS Remover. Please don't use any other products that we all know will work. But please don't use them. They have wax in them. OOOPS Remover is where it's at, okay? So just like LipSense, you have to apply OOOPS Remover in layers because you put LipSense on in layers. OOOPS Remover comes off, or LipSense comes off in layers with the OOOPS Remover, okay? So just like a gloss, you apply the OOOPS Remover. Now, what I didn't show you right before this is you should wipe a layer and pat your LipSense dry. So make sure there is no gloss on your lips before you put your first layer of OOOPS Remover on, okay? So wipe gently with a towel and with a washcloth and get all your gloss off, okay? So that's the first step. The second step is what I just showed you. Put on one layer of OOOPS Remover. You have to let it settle in, just like you have to let the LipSense layers dry, you have to let your LipSense OOOPS Remover settle in. So what I do is this for about 20 seconds. BRB. So what I have are what I call my Senegence washcloths, and I have about 5 of these, and I use these just for LipSense. So this is a clean one. So now that I've had my OOOPS Remover on for about 20 to 30 seconds and I've rubbed together, I'm gonna wipe the first layer off. See? I had Sassy Z on today. So I take off the first layer. Now I apply another layer of OOOPS. While I'm letting that settle in, I just wanted to let you guys know the OOOPS Remover has so many vitamins, has moisturizers, has plant-based ingredients that are the products that are good, or the ingredients that are good for your skin and lips to take off LipSense. So again, I'll reiterate and say it 14,000 times, those other products that we all know work to get off our LipSense, not good for your lips. They're just gonna start over your exfoliation process because they have wax in them. So you're essentially ruining everything you've done by treating your lips with and getting rid of all the dead skin from wax-based products. You're essentially just erasing that by using something that's waxy and gross and not good. So please use your OOOPS Remover, guys. The other thing I like to do with my OOOPS Remover is wipe the tip of your wand off before you put it back in. Now, we all know that the OOOPS Remover can have some stuff left over in the bottom of the bottle. It happens to all of us. Don't worry, you're not the only one. However, the best way to prevent that, make sure you're wiping off the wand as well, okay? So, all right, and that is how you use your OOOPS Remover. Amazing, okay? They smell amazing, they're the bomb, they're the best. So I will do a gentle wipe of my lips with the OOOPS Remover, and this gets off just any extra little bit. This light angle is bad, huh? I'm new to the selfie video game, guys. I have this awesome like clip-on ring light, that's the best. So there you go, it's gone. My lips feel great. If this were nighttime, I would go ahead and apply a layer of glossy gloss. Well, first I do my Lip Smooth lip conditioner, which is the exfoliator, which is amazing. And then I would put on just a quick layer of glossy gloss overnight in order to keep my lips super moisturized and ready for my next day of LipSense. So there you go, guys, OOOPS Remover. This is the best product to use for LipSense. Please use it. Please don't use anything wax-based because your lips are going to go flaky and dry again, all over. OOOPS Remover, hope this helps. Comment any questions. Bye, beaches. Till next time.